Hey girl, hey, we're doing vodka sauce lasagna. This is my first time trying to do it with vodka sauce. Well, I've never made a lasagna ever, so medium heat, oil. I don't think this is a traditional vodka sauce recipe, but it is what I made. I used some pork sausage, mild, not spicy. If you like it spicy, use spicy. I don't care. We're going to cook that up first and let it give out some juices. Then we put in the prosciutto. Get that crispy, cooked, and incorporated. Then we're going to add some basil and garlic. Get that to sweat. Don't forget to crumble the sausage. Smash it down. Turn off the heat and then pour in your vodka. I'm using Grey Goose. And it's hopefully not going to flame up on you. We have this on medium heat. And we just let it get all in there. Next, we're going to do crushed tomatoes. Pour it in and mix it in. Now we're just going to let it simmer on that medium heat. While that's simmering for about 30 minutes, we're going to make our mixture of parsley and parmesan with ricotta. Once it's mixed in, we finish it off with some salt and pepper. After about 30 minutes of our sauce getting thick, we're going to remove our basil and then add in our Parmesan cheese. I'm using Parmesan Reggiano. I just like it because it's more saltier. It just tastes better. Next, we're going to add heavy cream. I ran out of some heavy cream. I thought I had more than what I had. So I'm going to add milk to it. But if you have heavy cream, use it all or don't. Put it to your liking. And now we salt and pepper to your taste. And we're gonna add some red pepper flakes. If you can handle a lot, do it. If you can't, don't. And just to make it look pretty, we're gonna do some parsley because everybody does it apparently. I don't know why. As we get started to assemble the lasagna, preheat your oven to 375 F. Now that we have our sauce, we're going to take our lasagna noodles that are cooked, pre-cooked, and we're going to pour our sauce all over the bottom first. I'm being stingy because I don't know how much sauce is going to match this pan. I think I used the wrong pan, but we're going with it. Then we're going to layer the noodles on top, just like that. As you can see, I'm winging it at this point because the noodles aren't the length of the pan. Is that normal? Is that supposed to happen? I don't know. Then we put a layer of our ricotta mixture. Again, I'm being stingy with the ricotta because I don't think I used enough. So use more ricotta when you're making it. But this is my first time, as you can see, it's my first time making a lasagna pan, and now I know for next time. But we're going to do a layer of that ricotta parsley mixture. And then we add another layer of pasta on that. And then sauce. And then more pasta. And then for the top layer, we're going to do ricotta. And then Parmesan cheese with mozzarella cheese. Just fill that entire top layer. Now we need to cover it with tin foil. Apparently I did not have tin foil, so I'm using parchment paper. Now while it's waiting in the oven, go practice that instrument you got during COVID that you forgot to play, but then you started playing again. So just do that for 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, remove the parchment paper and then set your oven to broil and let it broil to get that nice crusty top. That's like 5 minutes, but keep an eye on it so you don't burn it. And that's it. Vodka sauce lasagna. You might have leftovers, but I mean, all of us had seconds or thirds. So give it a try. Anyway, that's vodka sauce lasagna. Thanks for watching. Bye, girl. Bye.